Hongdefa technical manager Mr. Huang introduced the 150 tons per day maize milling machine cleaning system process. 1. Pre-cleaning. Vibrating screen removes large impurity stalks. Stones. Magnetic separator removes metal. 2. Destoner. Gravity separator eliminates heavy impurities pebbles. 3. Aspiration. Air suction removes light impurities dust, husks. 4. Conditioning. Water added to soften corn for easy degerminating. 5. Degerminating and grading. Degermer separates germs and endosperms. Followed by particle sizing. 6. Final check. Secondary magnetic separation ensures metal-free output.